You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 18,523,476. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 3 plus 1 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 9 plus 0 equals 13. Carry 1 to the 10,000th place. 1 plus 3 plus 7 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 100,000th place. 1 plus 5 plus 9 equals 15. Carry 1 to the millionth place. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Write 1 in the 10 millionth place. And so the final result is 18,523,476.